a pressure, still me stand firm. Stone in my chest, but my heart still learn. Every little last teach me how to grow. Every rude road show me where truth flow. Them say bend, me say nah. My mind stay sharp like a cutlass scar. When the rain beat hard pan a zinc top roof, me find blessing at the beat of the truth. So me step slow, me step true. One good thing's not chase what burn true. From the tail to the yard, from the street to the hill. One brave thought can move the whole world still. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Stand up straight, my soul will stay free. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Join on me step, no slavery. Stand up straight. Them want me quiet, want me full of fear, but wisdom love the man who can persevere. Me read pain like a scripture line. Me turn salt water into serious wine. When the bread get thin and the pocket look bare, me share my last little piece, show love and care. Cause iron sharpen iron, brethren know. One humble seed can make a breadfruit grow. So me lift up, me nah sink, me no move by room, and me move by ink. Write it on the marrow, carve it in stone. If you know yourself, you never walk alone. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Stand up straight, my soul stay free. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Join on my step, no slavery. Stand up strong. When they mash up the dream, we rebuild again. When them lock down the road, we find another lane. Little by little, fire take flame. Me still a call out righteousness name. No counterfeit crown, no plastic pride. Just a lion heart and a clear inside. From the ghetto corner to the distant sea, one deep voice say live consciously. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Stand up straight, my soul stay free. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Join on me step, no slavery. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Chant it, Lord, did rescue me. Rebel philosophy, rebel philosophy. Truth on the road and the remedy. Stand up straight. Step in time, me carry truth like a hidden shine. Every scar tell a holy story. Every See gold can't light the flame. Me want no crown with fit pan shame. Me want clean soul, me want true aim. If me hand them work and me feet them move, let me deeds be the only proof. One love, one law, one road to tread. Me carry peace like a staff from God. When the night get thick and the doors stay closed, me remember who my spirit chose. No bad mind words can break me center. Me bend like reed, but my heart gets stronger. Spiritual soldier, stand up, don't fall, yeah. Spiritual soldier, Jah keep me colder than the fear around. Spiritual soldier, heart full of fire and me hold me ground. Spiritual soldier, yeah, me still rise when the world shut down. Me nah move for applause, no sir. Me move for the light where live up far. From the well in the deep to the peak on high. Me learn to live and me learn to die. So if you lose your way, hear this one. Take your wound and turn it, son. Walk with mercy, walk with pride. Spiritual soldiers live inside. Spiritual soldier, stand up, don't fall, yeah. Spiritual soldier, Jah keep me colder than the fear around. Spiritual soldier, heart full of fire and me hold me ground. Spiritual soldier, yeah, me still rise when the world shut down. Them say rise come slow, but me still awake. One hand full of hope, one hand with the gate. Babylon love fi bend, but I learn fi hold. Every little scar I turn to pure gold. Me walk through the town with a prayer in my chest. Stone road, heavy load, still me not fi rest. If you lose your name, them will sell your soul. So me plant truth firm like a seed in the soil. Hold up your head now, don't bow to the scheme. A man get judged by the fire and I him dream. When the night get long and the road get rough, me hear one voice say push through, that I know. Justice crown, hold the line. Justice crown in the time. No false throne can stay. No lie can wear the face. Justice crown, rise up now. Justice crown, show the way. If your heart stay clean, you'll step in a grave. Missy good man stray when hunger bite hard. Still me no fi tell no corrupt me heart. One breast split in two, better than rich shame. One clean conscience shine brighter than gold name. So me tell the youth, don't chase every blink. Hustle with your brain, but always stop it think. Who build up the wall, who lock the people out, who sell sweet promise and leave their drought. Hold up your head now, don't bow to the scheme. A man get judged by the fire and I him dream. When the night get long and the road get rough, me hear one voice say push through, that I know. Justice crown, hold the line. Justice crown in the time. No false throne can stay. No lie can wear the face. Justice scripture from the first to the end. Long road, be a stone, still my foot them press strong. Every chain where them build get melt by the song. So me read with clean heart and me move with true sight. Man was born for rise up, not for living a fright. When the pressure come, baby, me still stand up tall. One love, one fire that I beat down the wall. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. Jah word in on my chest, I guide me through the test. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. When the night get cool and cold, me hold the truth, me hold. Babylon love chains like a thief love night, but a truth like a river keeps the dark out of sight. Miss a poor man labor while the fat one grin. Still the humble one laughing, got the lion within. No broke back living, no slave feel mine. Me a plant good seed where them say none can find. So me read with clean heart and me move with true sight. Man was born for rise up, not for living a fright. When the pressure come heavy, me still stand up tall. One love, one fire that I beat down the wall. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. Jah word in on my chest, I guide me through the test. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. When the night get cool and cold, me hold the truth, me hold. If the mountain shake, me not flee. If the river dry, me still see. Every breath a prayer, every step I decree. From the dust to the glory, me born fi behold. No man on me shadow, no man on me soul. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. Jah word in on my chest, I guide me through the test. Freedom scripture, make me free. Freedom scripture, set me free. When the night get cool and cold, me hold the truth, me hold. Walk put, walk pull, keep the fire alive. Freedom in all the word, and the word keep we live. Them say bow, but me nah bow. No tyrant train over me soul. Man a plant truth in a hard ground now. Watch it grow till it reach hole. Babylon built on fear and stone, but every wall got a crack for show. When you know yourself, you're never alone. Jah light from deep within a glow. So me lift up me head, even when pressure lean. Me plant hope in a bed where the pain used to been. Hear the wise man say, child walk straight, walk clean. If your heart stay red, you can't get trapped in a scheme. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. We must through chains, we must through chains. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. Spirit remain, spirit remain. yourself, keep your mind in a narrow way. But me learn say faith no live in fear, and courage grow from the hottest flame. Every tear we drop become crystal clear, turn suffering into wisdom gain. So me lift up me head, even when pressure lean. Me plant up in a bed where the pain used to be. Hear the wise man say, child walk straight, walk clean. If your heart stay red, you can't get trapped in a scheme. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. We must through chains, we must through chains. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. Spirit remain, spirit remain. We not kneel, we not bend. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. Babylon name, Babylon name. Looking at the mirror, tell your own name. Who carry your cross when the night get long? Not the unwake clap for another man pain. Is the one we stand up humble and strong. So if them slam door, me find window. If them cut road, me make lily. From suffering spring new rainbow. From pressure come fire in a brain. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. We march through chains, we march through chains. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. Spirit remain, spirit remain. Hold firm, hold fast. No tyrant train, no tyrant train. Truth gon' last, truth gon' last. Me step out humble, my thoughts them tall. From the heart to the mountain, me hear wisdom call. Every little scar teach a bigger truth. Every hard road tune me heart in me youth. No man can buy what life teach free. When the storm take rough, that's a ministry. Me see fool a chat, but the wise man know. Plant good seed, brother, and watch it grow. So hold the line, now drop your crown. Turn your pain to flame, make it burn down. If you lose your way, still keep firm every day. Then road got a lesson to learn. Knowledge fire, make it burn bright. Burn fire. Knowledge fire, guide me life. Guide my life. Rise up now, no more sleep. Truth run deep, truth run deep. Knowledge fire, touch me soul. Burn fire. Knowledge fire, make me whole. Make me whole. Stand up now, mind stay clear. Babylon shake when truth stay near. Oh, them sell sweet talk, but me read the line. Me know empty promise from a mile behind. Enough man chase gold and lose their mind, but peace in the heart is the rarest find. Me learn say power can bend like cane, but roots stay firm through sun and rain. So me nah bow for a cheap disguise. Me prefer honest mud than painted lights. So hold the line, now drop your crown. Turn your pain to flame, make it burn down. If you lose your way, still keep firm every day. Then road got a lesson to learn. Knowledge fire, make it burn bright. Knowledge fire, guide me life. Rise up now, no more sleep. Truth run deep, truth run deep. Knowledge fire, touch me soul. Knowledge fire, make me whole. Stand up now, mind stay clear. Babylon shake when truth stay near. Oh, light no gone. It the inside you, brother, keep hold on. Every cut and bruise, every broken plan, build a wiser heart in a mortal man. So me sing for the sufferer, me sing for the child, for the one we tired, but still walk miles. Lift your head, no road still long, but knowledge fire keep you strong. Knowledge fire make it burn bright. Knowledge fire guide me life. Rise up now, no more sleep. Truth run deep, truth run deep. Knowledge fire touch me soul. Knowledge fire make me whole. Stand up now, mind stay clear. Babylon shake when truth stay near. Them build them wall pon fear, but me eye them stay clear. Ancient feet in the door, still we rise from the rust. Babylon talk, sweet mouth lie. Try change truth, try blind the wise. But the root, them know the road. Stone by stone, we carry load. Who feel it know? Who bear it grow? Long time now, but we no bow. Ancient fire in our witches, firm like cedar stand the tail. Burn the chain, we not born to live in pain. Burn the chain, spirit rise through sun and rain. Burn the chain, ancient resistance still remain. Me watch the moon over zinc fence, hear suffering turn to sense. Every scar tell a true story, every tear grow up glory. Them say stay low, don't speak too loud, but we voice cut through the crowd. From the cane field to the lane, same heartbeat, same refrain. Who feel it know? Who bear it grow? Long time now, but we no bow. Wisdom no live in a book alone, it live in a flesh, in a bone. Burn the chain, we not born to live in pain. Burn the chain, spirit rise through sun and rain. Burn the chain, ancient resistance still remain. If them bury the seed, it come back tall. If them block the road, we climb the wall. Me hear the old ones call me name. Stand up straight, no shame, no shame. One heart beating a every man, one truth move through the land. We have to learn, we have to see, freedom start in a mentality. Burn the chain, we not born to live in pain. Burn the chain, spirit rise through sun and rain. Burn the chain, ancient resistance still remain. truth no pose. It walk barefoot where the river goes. So me hold on tight, hold on firm. Let the wicked plan burn, let the lesson turn. If you move too fast, you miss the sign. Slow down, brother, read between the line. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Tell me what the whole thing about. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Clean heart, strong feet, stand down. Scroll up truth. Scroll up truth. Scroll up truth. Some man build house on shaky ground, then act surprised when the wall fall down. Me hear big prayer, me hear loud boast, but a humble spirit feed the soul the most. No gold chain can buy pure sight, no fake grin can live through night. If your word slip, your road get loose. So me choose the truth, me choose the truth. When the storm come down and the moon get thin, you can't let a crack under the skin. Better face the cut, better name the pain, than dance round lie in a Babylon rain. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Tell me what the whole thing about. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Clean heart, strong feet, stand down. Scroll up truth. Scroll up truth. Scroll up truth. Me nah beg for applause or crown. Me just wanna know what can break down. If love is real, it move like breeze. If fear is king, it chain your knees. But truth like river, deep and wide, carry the broken on the other side. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Tell me what the whole thing about. Scroll up truth, roll it out. Clean heart, strong feet, stand down. Scroll up truth. Scroll up truth. Hold on the truth, no matter the fight. Hold to the truth, it guide you right. Deep in the heart, right in the soul. Scroll up truth, make the rough road whole. Them build wall fi keep out truth, but truth climb yard like rain pan roof. Babylon talk with a silver tongue, yet every lie get weak when the righteous come. Me see the poor man carry the load, while the big man smile on the crooked road. Still the seed in the ground stay strong. Long time storm, but the roots live long. So me say hold firm, no bend, no sell. One clean heart beat louder than hell. When the pressure come, let wisdom lead. A calm mind plant the strongest seed. Wisdom against tyranny. at peace, let the peace improve. We no born fi crawl down low, we born fi know where the cool breeze blow. Every tongue we speak fi divide, me the fire of a clear-eyed mind. Wisdom against tyranny, wisdom against tyranny. Stand up, sister, walk free.